What's up, kiddos? And today, me and Christian are doing another
You can't tell.
pack.
On the way to CVS to get this, I ran into a tree.
That's why he has a mark on his face.
Yep. Okay.
So,
this is what we're dealing with today.
We
got the good old. We got this camera right here. We got that camera right there.
So, this is a 100-pack baseball cards jumbo box. Costs about like $9.
100 cards.
Actually, I don't even know.
Cost like $8.30 plus tax. So here we go. Let's open this bad boy up. Hopefully we get some like Ken Griffey Jr. rookies. Some.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I opened my pack. I got
Babe
Christian Yelich. Christian Yelich. Whatever it's called.
Whatever it's called. Jeez, they were really.
It's actually pretty expensive for a pack of cards at CVS.
Yeah, we get 100 cards. Like
for $9, it should be $5.
It should, but like, you also get a single pack too.
Yeah, you're right. Guys, we're at 7 subscribers. Our road is to 20.
If we get 10,000, I'm telling you, if we get 10K, I'm giving away my Sammy Sosa rookie.
Yeah, that's worth like $3,000. Giving away one of you guys.
I'm trying to figure out what brand this is. Does it even have a brand?
Yeah, maybe.
The Fairfield Company. Never heard of them. Okay, let's open this bad boy up.
First up, we got. Did I say Jared Goff?
Jared Goff, baseball cards.
Who's that? Oh, David Price. My boy David.
My boy Davey W. Okay, here you go, Franco.
I'll do this.
You get.
Right for the pack.
Look at those ones.
So first up, we got the homie, the boy, David Price.
There we go.
We're looking for good players.
Yeah.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Danny.
Manny Lee. Yeah, 1991. I got this complete set. I got the 1991 Upper Deck complete set.
Mike Fielder. It looks pretty good.
Here, we'll have the good pile. It's right there.
Oh, wait. Then where's the David Price?
Mike Young.
Who's this? Wilkins, Cubs catcher.
Nice one. Yo, I was about to say...
Signed card!
Yo, no way. It's autographed? I don't think that's on the card.
It's not like actual signed, but...
Not like an actual signed card. We'll put the good ones... Franco, here. Put the good ones...
Right in front of you guys.
Put the good ones there, the okay ones there. Yeah. We're doing a video.
Cards.
Where'd it go?
What I said?
What? Oh yeah, I'm doing that.
Oh, Shieldfield. There's a rookie card. Oh, that's Rockies.
What date is this? 1990? The Ken Griffey Jr. 1990. Hold on, let me just show you this.
Rich Butler.
The Ken Griffey Jr. 1990 Topps card? Bro, I wish this was that.
Dude, I want Mike Schmidt.
Bro, I wish. I'll look it up, though.
You still recording?
Yeah, we're recording.
Did you just edit this out? Yeah, I edited it.
Pat. Brent Butler. 1991 Don Russ. Jerome Walton.
What'd you get?
Nothing.
Joanne Samuel. Oh, I thought that this. Sanchez. Oh, look at that card.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
It really is.
I'm like, can you go upstairs?
That's done my cards.
You're done yours. Rookie prospect. Here, put them back into a pile.
These.
Yeah. Rookie prospect. A Met. Jeff Robinson.
Whoa. Oh, I didn't see this.
What is he?
Tops Mike Scioscia.
Nice.
I want a football pack of these. Christian isn't on.
Yeah, it's on. Nothing really in here. Here, Franco, let's switch sets just to make sure that we didn't miss anything. Franco found nice one right here.
Those my cards?
No, these are all my cards.
No, I'm not talking like.
Oh no, this is the good pile and this is the okay pile. So now let's switch just to make sure that you didn't miss anything.
Wade Davis? Let's see his stats.
Rookie prospect. I'm gonna put all the rookie prospects right there. Yo.
Manny Lee, dude?
Yeah, I showed him that.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, guess I forgot. Yo, that really got me. It said Griffin, and I thought it was a
Yeah. Dude.
1990, bro. That would have been big money, big money.
Big money, big money, big money. Yo, this is a nice card.
Who is he?
That one? That's pretty nice.
Yeah. There's two of those. Rich Butler. I wish I had a
Dude,
Rich
I got
Butler.
Brett Butler.
Huh?
I got Brett Butler.
No. Marquise.
David Smith.
Danny. Kenny Kaufman.
Con Kittle.
Rob Deere.
Comment your favorite baseball team down below in the comments.
Yeah. We'll do a shout out. We'll pick one random comment and shout them out. Oh, Joe Girardi. That's a cool one. Whoa, is it the Joe Girardi rookie? Okay.
Gee, this is what I thought. Jerry Goff.
Got a Joe Girardi rookie.
Yeah, these are okay.
That's
Oh,
a pretty cool one.
this is a pack.
Yeah, we got this pack. The last.
Should I open it right now?
Here, let me see this. Here, just do this.
By the way, guys, Christian has a lot of cards. A lot. Like this, he has 3 whole binders. More, too. Right.
Yeah. If you guys want, we could go over them.
Yeah.
Since it's literally the only thing we've done on this channel so far is open
keep
cards.
We
Okay, we got the okay pile.
We'll give one card away. The first person who comments. First person who comments on this video gets a card.
I don't know how I'll send it away, but sure.
Snapchat, man, or text.
Okay, guys. We got the 1990 Okay. We could get a. Who are we looking for? We are hoping to get a Sammy Sosa rookie in here. Maybe a Ken Griffey Jr. year
Or Cal
2.
Ripken.
Yeah. Hopefully we get one of them. Okay. I saw this on YouTube. Let's get 2 of these. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Off camera, off camera. Don't want to spoil anything. Okay. Okay. So, the first card. It's a. Do you know who I'm?
Brian Harvey? Nope.
Nope. We got a nobody.
Or somebody, but like, you don't know.
Okay, next. Kenny Mann, rookie.
I don't know who that is. Oh, wait, they're all rookies?
Yeah, there's some rookies. Nice one, nice
Could
one,
be a
nice
lot of
one.
money. Oh, rookie prospect?
Put that in there. I missed that.
Huh. Wait, show the camera.
We got rookie prospect that we must have missed. Next card is a Chris Hamden rookie.
I don't know who that
1990.
is.
Nice, nice, nice. Next is a upside down card.
What are we doing with these cards?
We'll look them up. Got a. You know who that is, Franco?
Sean? No. They're probably not going to be honest, they're probably not going to be that much money because, like, from a local store.
Local studios.
So,
Next we got a William Haymaker.
if we get 30 subscribers by the end of the year, I'll go
Come on,
buy
I
a
just think
card.
that's Sammy Sosa.
I'll buy a Tyreek Hill card, pink card. Just look it up and I'll give it away. I'll give it away to you
Mark
guys.
Cameron. Okay, this is fun, so taking too long. Next. Yo, I got one of the little like holographic things. That's pretty cool. What team did we get? Who is that?
Let me see.
Yeah, I see that. Hold up. It's the Red Sox, I think.
Let me see. See this.
All I see is the word red. Nothing else. Cincinnati Reds. I'm assuming the Red Sox.
No, Cincinnati Reds.
Yeah, who that?
What?
What team is that?
Cincinnati Reds. They're a red team with white. Just as a C. I got the Angels.
Is that a team right now?
Yeah. They give out teams right now.
No way. We're editing that out. Okay. Next. I'm editing these videos, by the way, just because I want to make them short, just because nobody's watching a 30-minute long video. Okay, next we got a Jim Eresrich. You know who that is?
Nope. Bill Spears?
Bill Spears. Is he good?
I mean, if he's on the card, yeah. I guess.
Okay, I guess we'll put him right there. Next.
Guys, next video will be opening, showing
Yeah,
all
this one.
these cards in these binders by
Is
every
he good?
team. No.
Okay.
Pirates?
The Pirates. Billy Hatcher.
Billy Hatcher.
Brian Holman. Well, that was a pretty useless deck of cards right there. Or pack. Look through these, Franco. Do you see anything worth anything?
Oh, then never mind. Felix Furman. Toy Evans. Brian Harvey.
Is he good?
Yeah, I feel like he is.
Okay, we'll look him up.
I already went through these.
Okay, let's put him in the trash pile.
Okay pile.
The okay pile.
I got this.
Here, put this on this. Put this on this. Here, just put this down. Okay. Okay. My phone died. Okay.
So let's just show you guys this
Like
one.
for part 2, we will be looking up
These
all
cards.
of these cards right here.
These two. And this pack over here.
So stay tuned for that.
This phone died. Once this phone's charged, we'll get back to you later.
Peace. This is what we're dealing with today.
Okay,
We got the good old. We got this camera right here. And we got that camera right there.
So this is a 100 pack baseball cards jumbo box. Costs about like $9.
100 cards.
Actually, I don't even know.
Cost like $8.30 plus tax. So here we go. Let's open this bad boy up. Hopefully we get some like Ken Griffey Jr. rookies. Some
Yeah.
I don't know.
I opened my pack. I got
Babe Ruth,
Christian
maybe.
Yelich. Christian Yelich. Whatever it's called.
Whatever it's called. Jeez, they really.
Actually, it's pretty expensive
God,
for a pack of cards at CVS.
Yeah, we get 100 cards. Like
For
if you,
$9, it should be $5.
it should, but like you also get a single pack too.
Maybe. Guys, we're on at 7 subscribers. Our road is to 20.
If we get 10,000, I'm telling you, if we get 10K, I'm giving away my Sammy Sosa rookie.
Yeah, that's worth like $3,000. Giving away
2,000.
one of you guys.
I'm trying to figure out what brand this is. Does it even have a brand?
Yeah, right.
The Fairfield Company. Never heard of them. Okay, let's open this bad boy up.
First up, we got. Did I say Jared Goff?
Goff, baseball cards.
Who's that? Oh, David Price. My boy David.
My boy Davey Dave. Okay, here you go, Franco.
I'll do this.
You get.
Right before the pack.
Look at those ones.
So first up, we got the homie, the boy, David Price.
There we go.
Butler.
The Ken Griffey Jr. 1990 Topps card, bro. I wish this was that.
Dude, I want Mike Schmidt.
Bro, I wish. I'll look it up though.
What's up, guys? This is part 2.
Part 2, we're gonna be looking up the cards. So first card is that one. This Bill Spears.
I think it's
Spires.
Spiders.
Let's see what it is. It is indeed loading. Okay, looks like the Wi-Fi will not be working today. But Google will. It's $1.
A dollar?
What?
Just $1?
A bum. It is $1.
Just $1.
Just $1. Next is the Joe Girardi rookie, which is a cool card, to be honest. Now, where is this card? Joe Girardi, a rookie. It is $2. Okay, I'd say that's a win. We got the win
Like
pile.
CVS cards, yeah.
We got the win pile, which is $2 and above, and we got the lose pile. Next is the Manny Lee. Manny Lee upper deck number 142. Okay, hopefully it's $200. It's $2. 2 buckaroos. So that is a lose card. It's not $2, it's $1. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm going insane.
I was like, you said $2 for the last one. You said that's a win, but you said that was a lose.
Yeah, I'm going insane, bro. I'm losing it. Okay, next we got a Mike, Mr. Miguel. Oh, voice crack. So we got Mike upper deck. No, that's not upper deck. Mike Skiosa. Skia. Tops. Number. What number? 468.
What? I thought you just said 4.
That'd be pretty cool. Okay. This card is $1. So this goes in the lose pile. Next we got a cool looking card. Rick Wilkins, Fleer Ultra, number 25.
25.
Hey Franco, what's funnier than 24?
25.
25. Okay, we got a not really that. It's 99 cents. It's a lose card. Next, Kevin Gross, Don Russ, number 569. This card is literally less than a quarter. It is 20 cents.
What? What?
David Price.
I don't care.
Tops, number 191. It is, hopefully it's a lot of money. David Price. Tops. Card. Yo. Okay, this is a win card. We got the $8, $7.99 on here, which is cool.
$8 David Price?
Yeah,
Cheap.
that's a win.
CVS cards.
Nah, it's cheap. How much did you get that for? Like $20, Christian?
$9.
$9. We got it for $8.
Wait, $8 and you have a $9 card now. That's a ripoff, bro. Actually, no, it's a steal.
Yeah, stupid.
No, it's stupid.
Next, we got this one.
For chucking my scooter in the air.
Mike Felder, Tops, number 718.
Jeff James.
Okay, hopefully that is... Felder. Okay. It's $5. Huh. It's $5. I'm surprised. Okay, that's a win too. Okay, the okay pile. Hopefully this is a goodie. Okay. Brian Harvey, Upper Deck, number 686. $0.99. Lose pile. Okay, here's the rookie prospects. Tim McInnish, rookie prospect, score number 347. Jeez, why the heck did I said Tim and it came up as Kim. Tim McIntosh. Whoa, it's $2. Okay. I'll take that as a win. Rich Butler, Tops, number 468. How much is it? It's $3. Nice. Nice. That's a win.
How much money?
$3.
Oh, that's a lose. Christian, $3 is nothing.
And you're nothing.
You got this for $8? $3 is nothing. Boy.
Brooke Jacoby. Don Russ, Diamond Kings, number 8.
My butt's stinky.
Why is every single one? Okay. Non-auto. Why is literally all of them autographed? Like, come on now. I don't have an autographed one. It's $2. Okay. Okay, it's $2. Nice. Okay, next. Rookie Matt Stairs. Matt Stairs, rookie prospect, score select number 327. Okay, let's hope it's big money.
Big money. Oh my God!
Nothing big. $2.99. Terry Shumpert. Terry Shumpert, rookie prospect, score number 349.
How many cards are left?
Like a couple. Like
Oh,
4.
wait, are those the cards?
Yeah, these are all that's left. Okay. $2. Nice. Wenu Alfred. Oh, that's not Alfred. That's Alfred. Bueo. Why? Bayou. Bayou Alred. Jeez, what a name. Alred. Rookie prospect, score number 338. Shopping. It's $1. It's $1. It's $1. It's $1.50. Jeff Kent. Jeff Kent tops number 24. Oh, nice. It's $3. Nice. Big card, big card. Bruce Hurst. Bruce Hurst tops number 315. Come on
Is this the
now.
last card?
No, we got 2 more.
Oh, yeah.
370. Okay. It's like $2. Nice.
$2?
Yeah. Then we got this. I don't think it's an on-card auto. I think it's just like a like that's how the card is. So it's not a real autograph. Doug Bird tops number 273. Dogbird, not Dogberg. Dougberg. Doug Berg. Wish I had the Larry Bird. Jeez. No. Doug Berg. Dougie. 373. Where is it? Why is only Larry Bird coming up? What did I spell wrong? Is it Tops? Yeah, it's Tops. No, not Ken Griffey Jr. Doug Berg. Oh, there he is. It's $1.99. We will round that up to $2. Okay. So, most of these cards are dookie. But these are the cards that we found that were the best. We got this one, $1.99.
This price was David Price. $9.
Yeah. $1.99. $2. $2. I think that one was $2. That one was $3.
$2.
I think that was $2.
And $1.
I think that was $2.50. I think this one was $3.50. This one was definitely $3.50. This
That
one,
was $8.
this one was
$9.
$8.
$9.
$9. And the Joe Girardi, which was $2. So, coming out of today, this is the best card we got. A $8 or $9 David Price. Okay, guys, make sure to like and subscribe for more fun card videos and other sorts of videos. So far on this channel, we've only made card videos, but that will be changing soon. So yeah, see ya. Peace.